there been a ceasefire or not? Netanyahu's big warning on the ceasefire violation now that has come in. Netanyahu's office has said Israel will respond forcefully to any violation that is coming in. Big news that has come in at this juncture. We are looking at what Netanyahu's office has said. Israel will respond forcefully to any violation. And this is at a time, remember, while Israel has agreed to Trump's ceasefire proposal, is that going to stand? Israel will respond forcefully to any violations of the ceasefire, says Prime Minister of Israel. Now, the issue here is, early this morning, as you must have been tracking by now, that Donald Trump has announced he's managed a ceasefire between Iran and Israel. But doesn't really look like on the ground. And therefore, I want to go immediately on the ground to Tel Aviv, because India Today is on the ground right now in Israel. Shivani Sharma joining me. Shivani, you tell me, do you still hear sirens? Do you still see missiles around you? What's happening? Because Trump says there's been a ceasefire.
Pooja, since 5 a.m. in the morning, there were more than 5 sirens that were sounded in Israel across places. There are devastations in Beersheba and in the southern Israel. I'm moving towards Beersheba where this devastation has been reported, and there are casualty figures of around 3. The assessment still goes on. The numbers can be high. But since then, there are no signs of further alerts. And what we're also hearing now, Pooja, there are signs of Israel also accepting this ceasefire. That's what is the update we've got. And a very important update I must give our viewers, that the spokesperson of the IDF will be giving a statement at 10:05. That is roughly around half an hour from now. So this can be a major statement that will be broadcast by the IDF. This might be regarding the present situation, whether Israel has already accepted, because certain statements have been coming in, Pooja, that Prime Minister Netanyahu has also accepted this ceasefire. Israel media has been reporting. We are waiting for that statement to be issued by the IDF also, because they say that they have already achieved the goals with which they had started this operation. The goal, remember, was to neutralize and to completely degrade the nuclear capabilities of Iran. This is what we are now listening, that this actually can be translated into a ceasefire, though there were certain apprehensions because there was devastation on the ground right in the morning, Pooja. So I'm visiting the site because the rescue operations are going on.
Go ahead, Shivani, and stay safe as well. Take care of yourself. Thank you for all the coverage. You've been bringing some very important inputs, and we'll be tracking more on what's unfolding. Clearly, the war is still on the ground.